2019 Toyota Sienna redesign, 2019 Toyota Sienna van, 2019 Toyota Sienna spy shots, buy new cars. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Toyota brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Toyota Sienna redesign, 2019 Toyota Sienna van, 2019 Toyota Sienna spy shots, buy new cars. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Toyota Sienna redesign, 2019 Toyota Sienna van, 2019 Toyota Sienna spy shots, buy new cars. Toyota seems will be dominating the car market in 2019. At least there are 5 new vehicles will be released by Toyota in 2019 new cars. And one of those brand new cars is 2019 Toyota Sienna redesign or Toyota Sienna 2019 in Toyota minivan models category. Toyota Sienna, according to some rumor from the internet, will be a successor to the recent model of Toyota Previa. Toyota Sienna 2019. As for the brand new Toyota Sienna minivan, there will be found some enhancements and modifications done by Toyota to make this car has a better performance and more comfortable than the recent model of Toyota Previa. And of course, Toyota Sienna vs Honda Odyssey will always be a trending for minivans world. So, this article will provide some news and information that related to new Sienna that we all heard that Toyota will redesign this lineup. Let's read below and carsumo.com start with the design, both exterior and interior. 2019 Toyota Sienna exterior design. The new Toyota Sienna redesign comes with a modern design with a perfect elegant touch on its exterior. The design seems smooth and sharp. By looking from the outside of the car, we'll see the inverted trapezoidal grille framework. It looks modern, cool, and elegant. This car will also come with advanced suspension technology which hasn't been revealed properly by new Toyota minivan. They just still won't reveal what's this advanced suspension technology that they use for 2019 Toyota Sienna redesign. In the front of the body, you'll find a sporty LED headlight and a time operating the light. At first glance, Toyota Sienna colors don't look like a regular Toyota SUV cars. It looks unique and different on good terms. No significant improvement in the rear section, this new Toyota Sienna van model still using the same exterior design as its predecessor for the rear body. 2019 Toyota Sienna interior design. As for the new Sienna interior design, it has been remodeled to look modern and more classy. It also used a better quality of leather material used for the Toyota Sienna seat covers and other interior parts. Its seats made using a high denseness and high quality material. It also uses a brand new technology that called inside the heating system. This advanced technology believed to be very worth to be used in cool places, as it will heaten the interior of this car. The new Toyota Sienna 2019 also provides a better entertainment system such as high quality 12 speakers on its interior. This car also provides the clever rear seats that can be adjusted to offer more space. New Toyota Sienna engine specs. According to some rumor, 2019 Toyota Sienna redesign will use a 3.5-liter engine which is able to produce 300 HP. That's quite powerful for an SUV car. Another information source also said that it would be using a 6-speed automatic transmission system. This car using 4-wheel terrain which even makes it more powerful as an SUV car. 2019 Toyota Sienna gas mileage is 20 miles/gallon for city usage and 25 miles/gallon on the highway. There is also some speculation that the brand new Toyota Sienna 2019 horsepower will be available in a Toyota Sienna Hybrid Edition. Another model that minivan car fans want are Toyota Sienna XLE, Toyota Sienna SE, Toyota Sienna Sport and Toyota Sienna LE, but we don't know yet if these models will be remodeled and/or will be released in 2019. And maybe about Toyota Sienna towing capacity around 3,500 pounds or 1,600 kilograms towing capacity like 2007 version. New Toyota Sienna price tag and release date. There is no clear information regarding the exact of Toyota Sienna release date in 2019, either from Toyota or any reliable sources. However, there is a speculation that it will be released in January-March 2019. But that's we couldn't be sure. As for a new Toyota Sienna price, it has been speculated based on the older model of Toyota Sienna, it probably priced from $35,000 $50,000 in the US. Thanks.